What up, what up, what up, what up, what up? What up, guys? Good morning. Yo, what's up, Isaiah? Morning, morning, morning. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. All right. Let's chart a few things today before we dive into any trading. Let's chart a few things. So, interesting. First, we're going to chart our opening range. What up, BB? Welcome back. Welcome back. We're just going to chart our couple of things real quick. So first we have opening range low, opening range high, which is just going to be right on top of the highs of the day so far. We just tapped that. So let's draw these out real quick. I spent this weekend working on learning how to trade Renko. And basically, what up, Andreas? Good to see you. Good to see you. Sorry I missed y'all on Friday. It's good to be back though. But yeah, we spent a good amount of time, or I spent a good amount of time this last weekend studying Renko. And we've got an awesome member of our community. His name's TI Trading Wiz. If you don't follow him, you should. He makes a lot of really good videos for QuantView. So I've been studying TI Trading Wiz's videos on QuantView, learning more about how to trade on QuantView. It's been really awesome to study it. And one of the things he talks about is trading Renko. So we've got our Renko chart here. And I'm going to be scalping on my TopStep combine account, or TopStep funded account, excuse me. I'm going to be scalping with OCO orders. I'm going to edit this right now. Oh no, we're good. I'm going to be scalping 1-to-1 risk reward, 5-handle target with a 5-handle stop. So as you can see here, if I place an order, we got a 5-handle stop and a rough 5.5 handle target. That's basically just so we take down, after fees, we take down a full 5 handles in profit. So I'm still learning on the Renko chart. I'll in Discord, I'll post a video that I used that TI Trading Wiz made for QuantView. I'll post a video showing how I use this chart, or how he recommends using this chart. It's really helpful. But yeah, so we basically, oh, excuse me. Basically, we're going to be looking for some scalps. We're going to go with the trend. Right now, the trend is pretty bullish. And so we're going to go with the trend, and we're going to look for opportunities to we're going to be looking for opportunities to take some entries. So I'm going to be working on this. I'll talk you guys through it. I'm still learning how to trade with this Renko strategy. So don't sweat me too much on this. I'm going to be trying my best to figure this out on the fly with you all. But this is a 1 second Renko chart, which is how QuantView is really designed to be used. So I'm excited to play with this today with you all. I'm trading light, trading 3 contracts. So I'll be going for $300 scalps, which I'm excited about. So yeah, you can see the Renko chart here on the right, my trading view chart, or my Tradeovate chart on the left. And yeah, it'll be interesting. So one of the things that I'll be looking for, in this, so if you go back, we basically have if you kind of look over a longer period of time here, so we have today, Friday, Thursday, in blue. So going back over a long period of time, today we broke through these highs here, the overnight high from Friday morning, the overnight high, or the daily high for Thursday. We had a few different highs. We were creating lower highs on Thursday, but we are kind of trending the other way right now. We're trending back to the upside. And yeah, we'll see. What up, Sean? What up? Welcome back. So yeah, anyways, trading Renko today. Still getting used to it. We're doing good, man. We're doing great. Thank you for asking. Yeah, so keep watching this. It looks like we may be, we're definitely double topping here. Whether we just run through these highs or we have a failed auction here, I don't know. And I'm not going to try to guess here. Oh, sorry, guys. Why am I so tired? Oh. How was everyone's weekend? Up 400 on micros. Let's go, Sean. Yep, watching that 60 level for sure. For sure. That would be if we sweep the 60s, that would be a clean opening range breakout. Yeah, look at that. We might sweep them. Long and Dow. I love it. You're probably getting paid right now. That's nice. That's real nice. One win in London, one loss at the Open, and now a long that looks good so far. Love it. What's your profit? What's your target on that long? How many handles you trying to take? What up? If you're just joining, I am trading. I'm working on trading on a Renko chart today. Giving it a go. That would have been a nice little scalp off of 55. All right, so we're going to be working on this. BB, I am not in. I might look for a long here. We'll see. We definitely have a higher high. So, yeah, I'd probably be looking for a long here. roughly off of this middle band here. So if we can get down here to 315, might look for a long. You can also look for a long here off of this. I don't know what they call this. The what is it called? The Q line. So could be looking for a long off the Q line down here at 18,331. See if we bounce off that. And 18,331 is going to line up pretty closely here with the 21 EMA as well. It's going to be a little above it. The 14 EMA right here at 31 and the 21 EMA down here at 27. So yeah, maybe looking for an opening range breakout off of that level today. We might break out off of this 9 EMA though. That might have just been a small pullback there. We'll see. Hard to know. But yeah, how was everyone's weekend? Anyone do anything fun? Also, don't forget to smash that like button if you would be so kind. That would be a right nice thing of you. Backtest a lot over the weekend on futures charts to refine my scalping. Love it, Andreas. Love it. Still getting used to ticks, handles, whatever in TV as I just came from Forex. Oh, right. Cheerio, mate. Cheerio. Hey, guys, do not forget to smash that like button, please. That would be amazing. We're just getting started on the stream. We're about 10 minutes in here. I have not taken any trades. Still waiting to see what the market's going to give us here. It looks like we might run to the highs. I kind of wouldn't be surprised if we did right now. It's looking like, I don't know though. I don't know. Interesting. You did homework but had a cool game night. Nice, Candlelit. Love it. What level of school are you doing homework for? Oh, nice. That's awesome. What up, Captain? That's great, Candlelit. That's amazing. Good for you. Captain, yes. I have been studying one of our community members, actually, TI Trading Wiz, creates some really good content on QuantView's YouTube channel. So I've been studying some of his strategies on scalping with the Renko charts. And it's been really, really helpful. I've been really enjoying it. This is my first day practicing it, so we're going to trade light and just see if we can kind of learn this strategy of his. It's pretty cool. I've really enjoyed learning from him. Yep, and I will post a link to one of the videos that I studied of his over the weekend in our Discord after this. I'm just learning this, so bear with me because, I don't know. I don't know what this is going to look like here. He is a wizard. Yes, he's a wizard, Harry. Yeah, so Candlelit, I wish TI Trading Wiz was in here right now because he is the expert at this, not me, but I'm going to try to explain it right now, and then I'm probably going to butcher it, and I'm probably going to correct myself after I go back and review my trading for the day and review his strategy. But so basically, you have the 1 minute. If you see here on the right, you have the 1 minute Renko chart, and we are looking for. So we have the Q line here with some custom settings turned on it. This thick blue line. We have our EMA here, which is the 21 EMA. We have the, that doesn't look right actually, 32. No, yeah, that's right, 21 EMA right here. So we have the 21 EMA up here, and then we have these bands. So these bands, here we go. Let me pull up the bands. The Q bands right here. So basically what we're looking for, I have custom settings on here that I don't fully understand why the settings are the way they are. I just copied Travis's or TI Trading Wiz's settings. But we're basically looking for scalps off of, like, for example, if we get a bounce off of this band here at 31, we're looking for a quick 5-handle scalp. If we get a bounce off of the Q line here, if we get a bounce off the Q line, we can look for a scalp here. We're basically trading with the trend, and we're looking for these levels. So the Q line for a breakout level, right? We saw that here. So we got a confirmation of a breakout through the Q line. So we could have taken some scalps up on this ride here once it broke through this Q line. And right here, it broke through the EMA, broke through the middle band of the Q wave, and then it broke through the Q line, and it rose up, and notice it rejected before it got to the top of this Q band. So now I'm looking, and I don't know if I'm doing this right. I'm just working with what I'm practicing this right now. But I would be looking for a long somewhere around here off of the 21 EMA and the Q line. And if we fully break down through the Q line, we might be in a stage of reversal because we do have a lower high here. So could potentially be looking for a breakdown just like we had here, back down through the Q line and potentially into this region down here. So kind of just below that 300 level. So yeah, that's kind of what we're looking for. We're basically using these different levels on this chart as potential levels for entries, which, as you guys know, from watching the stream in the last few weeks, last 2 weeks or so, entries, I tend to be correct on direction and movement, but I tend to, the area I tend to get myself in trouble is with my entry locations. So I'm hoping that this Renko strategy can help me with better entries. Anyways, that's a long way of saying I'm still learning this, but I'm getting better. All right, we got 28 people in here now. Still have not taken a trade, but we got 28 people in here. If you would be so kind as to smash that like button, that would be amazing. Continue to help grow in the stream. We are almost to 1,000 subscribers. Well, I guess not almost. We're 140 away. So if you're not a subscriber and you'd like to be, it would be awesome if you would hit that subscribe button. Yeah. All right. So it looks like we may have a failed auction here. One thing I may do. What up, Vishal? Thank you for subscribing. You're amazing. Yep. Grim, that's awesome. Yeah, look, like I'm a huge fan of really like fine tuning what you do. And as I just said, you guys have seen me struggle with my entries. I've got pretty good entries, but I have pretty good sense of direction and where we're going, especially the last couple of weeks, but I'm having a really hard time getting the right entries. And you saw, if you watched on Thursday, I was off on Friday. Why do I use indicators? Sorry, which indicators are you referring to? Happy to answer that question. Not sure I understand it, though. Anyways, I've been struggling with trade location. So really trying to focus on improving my trade location. And I'm also going to be really, unless we get a heavy directional move where I can join in on some heavy momentum, I'm going to be focused on taking down 5 handles of profit and risking 5 handles on each trade. And I'll be targeting having above 80% winning trades. That's my goal today. So for example, you can see here my OCO orders. I'm technically risking 20 ticks to take down 22 ticks. So I'm actually risking 2 ticks more, or targeting 2 ticks more than I'm risking. Here we go. Breakout. Maybe an opening range breakout or a failed auction. Let's see what we get here. I think we just ran a bunch of stops. I don't know if the momentum's going to carry this. But we'll see. I don't know if it's cold where you guys live, but it's freezing here right now in Nashville. Well, it's not freezing. It's unexpectedly cold because yesterday it was like 70. All right. Yeah, this might be our opening range breakout. Let's see if we break through this Q band level up here. Let's see if we do it. Like, one of the things I don't understand in the Renko strategy is if we are having a breakout, I don't understand how we try to identify a point of reversal. Like you can see back here, we broke out above. I mean, we had a huge rip starting at 6 a.m. Well, no, I guess technically this started back here at last night at 5 o'clock. What was that? 5, 6, 7 o'clock. I'm sorry. At 7 o'clock, we had a pretty big breakout to the upside here. So, and we've been really breaking out ever since then. What is this? How big is this move? So really, we've been down here at 1860s, and we're now up in the 360s. Yeah, so 300-point breakout since last night. I would say the direction is definitely pretty strong to the upside right now. Oh, Caesar sales. Why do I use the opening range 15-minute, 30-minute, 1 hour? Yeah, so I use the opening range, 30-minute opening range, because the initial 30 minutes of the New York Open in Nasdaq futures especially, and in really all the index futures, that opening range, that 30-minute opening range for the first 30 minutes of the New York session is when the most volume is pumping into the market. I mean, it is absolutely the highest volume, the most aggressive volume of the day. So what we want to see is how did the tug of war play out in the first 30 minutes of the day? Where did we get to on the high end? Where did we get to on the low end? And then really what we can do, and we could have seen this here. So for example, looking back, hindsight's always 20/20. So for an opening range breakout, what we can look for is, all right, we had a failed auction to the upside here, which created our opening range high at 846 this morning. Then we broke down, but we failed to auction down to the opening range low. We missed it by about 10 handles. 8 to 10 handles, we missed it. Then we started reversing back to the upside, and we consolidated down here. But notice we really started to consolidate kind of at the high of this, right? If you take all these candle bodies right in here, we had a really strong... now, I still am a supply and demand trader, so we had some pretty strong We had a pretty strong supply level here. And notice that we consolidated right in the middle of that. Now, for an opening range breakout, what I'd be looking for is we'd be looking for a move to the upside or the downside here. Like we're not going to stay in this area of consolidation forever. So the question is, do we completely have a failed auction and break to the downside? Intuition would say no, right? Because we had a forceful movement down and then a forceful movement up. You'd think we'd get a little more conviction to the downside here if we were going to break down. So we probably would have seen it in a relatively shorter period of time than this. But the buyers came in and started slowly winning this, and eventually we had a breakout through the opening range high here. So you can kind of see this level, this range here really held. This order block here really held, and the sellers failed to take over here. So the buyers won in here, ran it to the upside. Now, we could have a failed auction here. We could have a failed auction at this level we're at right now. And we could break back into the opening range. Will we? I don't know. Yeah, thanks, Grim. Appreciate it. Yeah, please, guys, hit the like button here. If you have not yet, that would be really kind of you. If you're not subscribed and you'd like to watch more of my streams, that would be awesome too. We are approaching 1,000 subscribers. We've been doing this for just under 2 weeks now. I think this is probably our 10th live stream. I'd have to go back and look, but this is 9 or 10. So really, really unbelievably grateful for all of you for joining here. Yeah, here we go. We might be breaking back into the opening range. Let's see if we do. Definitely have somewhat of a failed auction here. Let's see if the opening range high acts as support. Nice, Caesar. Good short. Great short. So in this, one of the reasons I love 30-minute opening range highs and lows is because those levels tend to act as meaningful support and resistance for a pretty extended period of time. If you guys watched my stream last week, the opening range levels, like on Thursday, the opening range levels from days before were serving as strong levels of support and resistance even on Thursday. So it's really great to be aware of what your opening ranges are throughout the week. Yeah, opening range breakout trade, opening range trades are a really common, it's a really common technical strategy. So, you know, I'm not saying you should do what everyone does, but in some cases, it's very helpful to know what some of the more common strategies are in trading, because if you can understand these strategies well, you can set yourself up to be a really strong trader because everyone else is making the same trade. They're all looking at the same thing you're looking at. They're all targeting the same levels, in theory, right? So let's see if this, what I'm looking for here is to see if the opening range here, we're bouncing off the 21 EMA. The EMAs are anchored differently on these charts. I'm not sure. I need to play with that. I'm not sure why. Let's see. Here we go. This may be support. We may run back to the upside off of this opening range. Let's see. Let's see if we do. What up, Ragav? Top of the morning to you. Welcome back, Ragav. Good to have you back. All right. Right now, so you can see the opening range here really serving as resistance now. I might be looking for a quick scalp off of this Q line. I want to see, quick scalp off that Q line would have been a pretty good move, actually. And the Q line is right on that 50 level, which I like. Let's see. I might take this long here off of 50 into, let's see. It would have been hang on. Yeah, this will just be a quick scalp. I'm scalping if you guys just tuning in. Oh no, Andreas, I'm sorry. Yeah, so my strategy right now is really to take these quick 5-handle scalps. That's going to be my target. If you guys been watching lately, unless we get into a period of strong momentum, if we get some strong momentum, I'll be looking for some different trades, like some longer 15, 20 handle trades. But right now, I'm really just looking for 5-handle scalps. And in this situation, it's really all about making sure you have good entries. I'm going to have a 1-to-1 risk reward, and my goal is to have 80% or better winning trades today. All right, let's see. This could be a cheap trade off of the 50 level. This is just a strong. What is the panel you're trading at? How did they get the TradeAvate account? Somehow struggle a bit with TradeAvate and the points and handles. Okay, so I'm trading in the 1-minute Nasdaq right here, just using normal candlesticks. Struggle a bit with TradeAvate and the points and handles. Okay, so a handle is $1 of movement or 4 ticks, right? So there's 4 ticks to $1 in the Nasdaq. Man, that would have been, see, if I had taken this trade off this Q line here, it would have been a really good scalp. I could have taken a few scalps in this range, actually. Yeah, so the New York session definitely has the widest range for the most part, because there's the most amount of volume. No, Andreas, don't be sorry. Don't be sorry at all. Yeah, I do use TradeAvate. TradeAvate is my software. TradingView is what I use for charting. So I place my trades in TradeAvate, but I'm watching TradingView for my charting. And I'm using QuantView with TradingView. Yeah, man, I should have taken that. It did bounce off of that Q line exactly like we talked about. It was really strong. That would have been a strong entry. Potential break back into opening range high. If we get a confirmation of a break back to the upside here, I am going to start taking a couple of scalps here. I want to make sure that this level is not going to serve as resistance for us, though. As you guys know, I tend to do limit orders, but in this situation, if we start to rip here, I may do a stop order, actually, instead of a limit order. So I would basically just do a buy order up here at like 66 and try to ride it to 72. But let's see if we get confirmation of a breakout here. We're bouncing off of this opening range level, so I don't want to take a long yet, just in case this level serves as strong resistance and we run back to the downside. Although this is a pretty bullish, this chart ever since 9 o'clock, we're looking pretty bullish. Here we go. Yep. All right, I am going to look for a limit order here. Here we go. See if we get this. Looking for 3 handles. Sorry, 5 handles. I'm not going to chase this. It is pretty choppy right here. And I'm just going to leave my stops, guys. My stop loss is below the, my stop loss is situated down below the opening range high of the day. So I might take a loss here, but I do feel pretty good about this trade. The momentum is definitely moving to in that direction. Yeah, I feel good about this. But if I take a loss here, that's okay too. Here we go. if you're just tuning in, I'm going to work a lot harder on not moving my stops. So I'm risking 5 to take 5 here, and I would like my win ratio, my winning trade percentage for the day. I'd like that to be in the 80% or higher range. So that's what I'm going for right now. I'm trading 3 contracts, so looking for a $300 scalp here. And I'm risking 300. So I'm risking 300 to try to take down 300. I don't love this right now, but I do love that the opening range high is holding as support right now, for now. Although it's getting a little testy. Let's see. Let's see what happens. Here we go. Opening range is holding as support for now. It might fail, but so far. My stop is 20 ticks. My target is 22. So take profit at 22, and I have an OCO order on, so you can see here. This is it right here. 22, take profit, stop loss 20. And I am scalping for some quicker moves. Now that I see that we're stuck in this range here, I would have tried scalping down here. I would have tried going long down here or short up here, but live and learn. Here we go. Love it. Beautiful. Oh, it filled me for 1. Let's see if it fills the other 2. There we go. Nice. All right. The strategy's working right now. Let's see if we can get another entry here. I wouldn't take a long right now personally, just because I'm looking to see. We're not getting a lot of momentum right now. Price action's kind of slow. We had a lot of price action in the overnight, as you see down here, right? Like the overnight was nuts. It's kind of a slow grind to the upside, but for overnight movement, that was pretty steep movement in the overnight. I talked about it a minute ago. I mean, we have had almost a 300 handle move, or yeah, we are at 300 handles now. So, since we're not getting a whole lot of momentum right now, I am just looking for shorter scalps instead of, like you guys have seen me do, a 5 handle stop loss for a 15 handle target. I'm not trading like that right now. Really just looking for these quick scalps. And the reason I had this drawn here is just because we had a pretty substantial order block that we keep falling back into and breaking out of. So this kind of, it's a big level, big range from 30 up to 60, 30 handle range. We've got some pretty substantial support in this range. You don't believe in price action. Interesting. I'd love for you to expand on that, BB. That's a very interesting comment. I don't know if I've ever heard anyone say that. I'm not saying I disagree with you. I'm just saying I'd love to know why. All right. Here's some momentum to the upside. Let's see if we can get a move to the upside here. Quick scalp. Might take a scalp here off of the 73 level if it gives it to us again. But I'm going to wait just in case we get a double top here and we might get a lower low. What? I'm sorry guys. I don't know. I don't know why it said. Someone just accessed my trading view. That's kind of weird. All right, here we go. Looks like we're bouncing off of this Q band up here. I'll be looking for a quick scalp to the downside if I can get a good trade location here. Be looking for a scalp. I'd love to take a quick scalp down here to 62. Yeah, for sure, BB. Volume profile, yeah. But volume profile, so a lot of volume, like a high degree of volume, typically leads to price action. Right? So I think the two kind of go hand in hand, in my opinion. And that's okay if you disagree. That's just, typically when volume picks up, price action picks up. So it's kind of, we might be saying the same thing, BB. But I think I've heard you say in the past that you're pretty big on volume profile. Am I remembering that correctly? All right, I'm going to look for a short here. Quick scalp to the downside. There we go. All right, we're 2 for 2. We got 2 winning trades. Grim, yes, I do start with minis. Yep. And actually on Apex, when I just took a quick short, BB. I took a quick short scalp. So Grim, I take, with my Apex accounts, the first day I trade on a new PA account or an eval account, I'm actually looking for a single 15 handle move, which takes you to $3,000. Now consistency matters too, right? So you can bite yourself in the butt there a little bit. So let me explain. Your trailing drawdown stops with Apex, with a funded Apex account. Your trailing drawdown stops when you pass $2,600 in profit. Your trailing drawdown stops. So for me, when I'm trading with Apex, I want to try to knock out that 2,600 in my first day. I want to eliminate my trailing drawdown on day 1. So my target is somewhere between 2,600 and 3,100, which is why I look for a big momentum trade and I wait for momentum, and I'll go for a 15 handle target. Now, if I see momentum start to die out, I'll take profit at 7 or 10 handles, right? That way I'm taking down 1,400 with 10 contracts. I'm taking 1,400. Like I swing heavy with Apex. I trade very heavy with Apex. I almost never trade less than 5 contracts, and I tend to trade the full 10 with Apex. That's just me. I'm not saying this is not advice. I'm not saying anyone should do this. But after I have that first day and I eliminate my trailing drawdown, I tend to go for about $1,000 to $2,000. Thanks, BB. I really try not to focus on the P&L. I try to focus on the handles. So I try to focus on ticks and handles. So how many handles do I need to take down to eliminate the trailing drawdown? That's my first target for myself. After that, I'm going for about 10 or 15 good handles a day. 10 or 15 handles in profit in a day. Here we go. We got some momentum coming in. Look at this, guys. Maybe a failed auction here. We have lower highs here. And we just quickly flushed through the opening range high. So let's see if this holds, or let's see if this level serves as support and we bounce back up again. We've taken 2 trades today. You can see them both right here, and they've both been profitable. So feeling pretty good about our trades so far today. So for this, I'm not abiding very well by this Renko strategy, but I'm really not following it right now because we are bouncing around on this opening range high, and I'm kind of enjoying trading this opening range high right now. Candlelit asked, when it says profit target for Apex accounts, like $3,000 profit goal for the 50K account, Is that the amount you're supposed to make in a month? No, Candlelit, great question. Profit target on Apex accounts, in order to pass your evaluation, $3,000 is your target on a 50K account. So you can do that, and you can take as long as you want to do that. Oh, Andreas, I'm sorry. So Candlelit, you can basically take, if you're doing a 50K evaluation and they're doing a 1 day to pass, which I think they're doing right now. Yeah, they're doing 80% off in 1 day to pass. So if you want to try to pass an account with a 50K account, you need to take $3,000 in profit on that account. So you need to get your account balance to $53,000 or higher. And you pass that account if you succeed. But if you are looking for, the one thing about Apex is they have a trailing drawdown. So you have I think Apex has a $2,500 trailing drawdown on their eval accounts. So let's say, Candlelit, the challenge with Apex, and it's different than TopStep. The challenge with Apex is, let's say you run your account up to 52,500 and you're $500 away from your profit target, and then you go on tilt and you take losses. Well, your trailing drawdown means that you can now, if your high water mark was 52,500, if you go below 50,000 even, you blow the eval account. So that's the trick here with their trailing drawdown. And when you get into a funded account, the trailing drawdown goes away if you pass 52,600 in your eval account or in your funded account. It's kind of a lot. If you guys are, if a significant number of you in the community are interested in trading Apex, whether you're trying to get better at trading Apex accounts or you're interested in trading your first Apex account, I'd be more than happy to make a video to kind of explain their trailing drawdowns. There's some good content out there on YouTube, though, that can help explain it. But if you guys would like me to create some, I'd be more than happy to. All right. We're at an interesting level right now. We're approaching that Q line. According to Renko, notice that we are at the lows here, but Renko it actually does have it as a higher low. So let's see how this plays out. Might be looking for a quick long off of 18,350, but I also might be looking for a short up here at 1858 or 358, excuse me. Yeah. What up, Caesar? Welcome back. Smash that like button, y'all. Listen to Caesar. Let's see what we do here. We're bouncing off of the Q line right now on the Renko chart, and this is definitely a strategy that TI Trading Wiz talks about. TI, are you in here? Travis, you in here? Travis is the homie. He's been sending me Discord messages over the weekend trying to help me get ready for this, sharing some good insight. If you guys don't follow QuantView on YouTube and or TI Trading Wiz, you should. He's a great educator and a great trader. Yep. Josue, you can also join the Discord. QuantView is a very valuable resource. I would strongly recommend it. There we go. Actually, Streamlabs just posted the QuantView link if you'd like to check it out. But you can also, their resources, their trading education and resources are really valuable. I appreciate them a ton. All right, yeah, it looks like we're going to break down here. We're definitely getting some weakness here. This setup here looks pretty great. Let's see if we can break through this 50 level. Yeah, Josue, that's great. I am a huge fan of QuantView. QuantView has made me a better trader. Their charts their indicators are so helpful, and everyone uses them a little bit differently. Hang on, guys. It's my wife's birthday, and she's headed out to go to a birthday brunch. So I'm going to say bye real quick. All right, all right. Oh, some of you are short, I see. Let's see if the 50s hold. If the 50s hold, we might run back to the upside. If they fail, I think we got room all the way down to the 30s. Yeah, Josue, that's a great point. I think QuantView is very, very helpful for confirmation or rejection of your position, right? Like it's really good at giving you better insight to see if you are making a good decision or a bad decision. We really need to break the 50s here. Break the 50 level and hold it. I think we could flush pretty strong here if we do. And I'd be looking for, if we can break through this level down into the 30s, I would be looking for a momentum short, probably a 10 or 15 handle short, probably down here into the like mid 30s, I would say. Yeah, 30 to 35. But we are so far failing to break down below 50 with any real confirmation. BB, yeah, no Lamborghinis for me. And I'm not trying to sell you guys anything. I'm really just doing this. I started this just to show my friends and family what I do and to document my own, like do like a live journal for myself. So the fact that y'all are here and listening to me is really fun. I would still be doing this even if there were only 3 people in here. Because I enjoy talking out my trades. It's not advice. I'm not an expert. It's just me trying to become a better trader. So you guys get to watch me screw up and have wins, and you get to watch the good days and the bad days. And I've had quite a few bad days in the last week. So I'm really trying to turn this around and become a more consistent trader. And some of the members of this community have helped me do that. I hope I'm helping you. God, we are just stuck right here. Ah, man, I'm sorry, Caesar. Yeah, I don't know. ES is looking kind of heavy to me, Bryce. I don't know if I agree with that. You can see it's really just drooping. Droop, droop, droop. We have lower highs and lower lows in the ES. And we now have the same thing in the Nasdaq. So let's see. If we bounce off of this level, I would probably look for another short around the opening range high. See if that serves as resistance. Yeah, we're chopping. We're chopping bad. I really want to take a trade right now. I don't know. I might take this here. Take a short here off of 54 if it gives it to me. Yeah, I'll take this. Let's see, 52. Kind of take this range trade. Quick scalp in this range. My stop is above these candle wicks. My target is on these candle wicks. You started trading the Russian stock exchange? That's crazy. That's kind of cool. I don't like the way this candle's looking. I don't know what's going on here. This is not a fun level for me. I don't like trading on top of the 50s and 100s unless I'm looking at those as strong support or resistance. But right now, it's sort of support, but it also has kind of been acting as resistance. All right, I need to change my passwords on my trading view because I don't know. I think my mom has my TradingView login. I need to take that away. Great Dane. No, I'm not in a trade. I've taken 2 trades so far today. You can see them right here. I took 2 quick scalps for $330 each. So I'm up $634 after fees right now. I'm trading 3 contracts. Oh, BB, that's right. You are Ukrainian, aren't you? I forgot. All right, looks like we might be bouncing off of the 50s. Really did hold as support, or the 50 level held as support here. Let's see what happens now. Let's see if my hypothesis is correct. Let's see if the opening range high holds as resistance above us. This yellow line here is the 30-minute opening range high. Let's see if we fly through this or if this holds. So far, we're flying through it. Let's see, though. Oh, Andreas, so you had a take profit, you had a stop loss hit, and a break even. So it sounds like you're scratch on the day, maybe? Depending on your risk reward, you might be scratch. Yeah, BB, I'm sorry. I am very sorry. Hey, we've got 48 people watching. We're approaching the highs of our stream viewer count. So thank you guys for being here. Small profit, Andres. That's great. You know what? If you're not feeling it and you're still in the money on the day, it is never a bad idea to walk away. Man, y'all are awesome. We got 45 people watching. What the heck? I've been doing this for 2 weeks, and y'all are so kind to not only watch, but also come back. Y'all are the best. Ah, yep, okay. Oh, shoot. I just realized. Guys, we might need to change it up on this stream today. I'm trading on my 150K account right now, but I got approved for TopStep X on Friday. I got a TopStep X access on Friday morning. I haven't even logged in. I got to figure that out. So I'm going to be able to get my 5 50K accounts with TopStep now. And holy cow, I'm so excited. I forgot. I need to... All right, let's see if we can get this... let's see if we can take down one more winning trade today. Oh, I like this. I like this. We had a failed auction to the upside. We got some strong momentum to the downside now. I'm going to take this. Oh, no. Actually, hang on. I'm going to wait for this. It got away from me. Oh, I hate to hear that, Caesar. I'm sorry. I haven't used it yet. But let's take a couple more trades on this, and I'll switch over to... I'll set up my TopStep X, and I'll show you guys what it looks like, and we'll make a few trades in there. I'll get it all set up. We'll play around with it together. I'm really excited about that. I totally forgot. I haven't even seen it yet. Awesome, Great Dane. Love it. Yeah, we'll make a couple more trades here. We'll look for a couple more, and then we'll make that switch over. Probably trade on here until about 10:30-ish. All right, I'm gonna stop talking because we're getting some good volume right now. I might look for a short here off of this Q band here at 42.50. Let's see. Yeah, I'm gonna take this. See if we can rerun the lows of this last candle. Oh, come on. All right, let's see. If I take a loss here, that's okay, but we've got some good momentum, and let's see. Oh, come on. Give it to me. Don't dump before you fill me. I just got funded on a 150K account with Elite Trader funding. Nice. That's awesome. I have a buddy here in Nashville who is a phenomenal career futures trader. He's been trading futures for 15 years, maybe more. And he started a prop firm last year that that I'm really excited to learn more about. So I'm actually playing golf with him tomorrow. You don't know him, Bryce. He's a guy at the country club. But I'm going to play golf with him tomorrow, and we're going to talk a little bit about trading and see if... all right, I'm filled here. Not moving my stop loss. We're looking for 18,338 for our target. Let's see if we get it. We're not moving it, though. Keeping our stop loss where it is. Yeah, it's really cool. I've never used his prop firm. I don't know anything about it. Let's go. 3 for 3 today, guys. That's our third winning trade. We are now up 951 on the day, trading 3 contracts. Awesome. I'm really enjoying this scalping strategy here. I've just taken 5 handles target, having a five handle target, 5 handle stop loss. Pretty clean and simple. Using OCOs. OCO stands for one cancels the other. So, in other words, if you take a short here, notice the green lines are dotted. That just means that if you hit your stop loss, then it cancels out the take profit. If you hit your take profit, it cancels out your stop loss. So if you've never used OCOs, they're a really great way to trade. And I have mine set here. You can see I have 22 handles of profit target, or 22 ticks of profit target, 20 ticks of stop loss. So just less than just more than a 1-to-1 risk reward. All right, let's see if we can, I'm gonna take one more short here. Basically, you can see here, guys, my stop is just, is above this candle body, and my target is in the wick here of this candle body, of the candle next to us. So, the only thing that should really stop me from taking profit here is if we reverse to the upside right now. Okay, cool. There we go. 4 for 4, guys. 4 for 4. We took 4 winning trades today. We are up 1268 on this account. Yeah, this is a good day. We've taken 4 trades, 4 winning trades, 100% winning trades. Let me pull up my, trade performance here. You guys can see what I'm talking about. Here is my trade performance so far. Average winning trade is $330. I don't know why it says, it says 264 because a couple of them got stopped out, or we hit like 1 contract of profit and then we hit 2 later on. But regardless, I've had 4 trades, not 5. And each trade was $334 or $330 before fees. 22 handles with 3 contracts, 22 ticks with 3 contracts. So not bad. This is great. I'm enjoying this quick scalping strategy. Definitely taking profit pretty consistently. The 1-to-1 risk reward. It's kind of nice. I haven't moved my stop at all, which if you guys have watched some of my previous streams recently, one of my biggest weaknesses is taking profit or not taking profit and moving my stop loss to break even. So I stopped doing that. Yep. Let's see. I'll switch over to that here in a minute, and I'll see if we can pass those 5 TopStep, or at least make some progress on those 5 TopStep accounts. All right, I'm going to be looking for one more short here off of 51. And we might just blow through this. 51, there we go. All right, I'm in short. This 50 level has been pretty strong resistance. So I'm in short. Let's see if it gives me the fill here. We're close. And on this one, I might actually move my stop to break even in case we jump back through the 50s. Yeah, I'm in the money today. Protect my profits, but I think we're going to take this. Yep, there we go. We got filled for 2 of those. Let's see if we fill the last one. Oh, don't go back up. That's okay. We took 2. Okay, great. That's fine. All right, look at that. We're up $15.55 on the day before fees. After fees, we're up $14.90. Candle lit. So this has to do with the bid and ask. And basically, I got filled. We just tapped that level of my target. Sean, I'm trading one account right now. I'm trading just on my TopStep 150K account right now. So this is just one account. I've taken 5 trades. You can see them here. Let me show you. I took 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Yep, it's a funded account. 150K funded account. You can see here. It's here. I don't know how to show you. Yeah, funded account. I needed this today too because I hit my max loss on Friday, $3,000. It was bad. Or on Thursday. I didn't trade on Friday. So, anyways, so yeah, I have 150K account. Right, I think. Yeah, I have 150K account, and I have 150K combine that I'm in that I'm up $3,000 on, so I have 6,000 more to go. Here we go. I'm going to take a scalp here. Target is down here at 37.50. Stop loss. I don't love this stop loss up here because it could retrace this candle, but I feel pretty good about this trade. We got some good momentum. We should kind of get a little double bottom down here on the 1 minute. And we'll see if it gives it to me. There we go. Looking good so far. We're like 5 ticks away. There we go. All right. Was that my 5th or 6th? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 trades, 100% winning trades today. Show you those again. 100% winning trades. With a total of $1,800 in profit. Feeling pretty good. I love it. Just feels good on these days. On days when you're like, just things are working, it feels really good. If you're just tuning in, my strategy today, I'm really just scalping 5-handle scalps with a 5-handle stop loss, 5-handle take profit. Raghav, let's go. Up $19.95. You and I are within a few dollars of each other. Yeah, don't try to round up. If close enough is good enough in many cases. Wow, look at this. This is a great move. But you know what? I don't have FOMO here. I don't have any FOMO at all because I'm just grateful that I've taken these, that my winning trade percentage is 100 today. You heard me say it at the beginning of the stream. My target was 80% winning trades. I'm feeling really good about it. We got some good momentum here. I might look for one more short to end the day on this account, and then I'll switch over to TopStep X and try to get that activated so we can start playing around in the TopStep X that I just got approved for on Friday. So let's give it a few minutes, see if we can get one more good trade. As long as we don't retrace on this candle, I think we'll keep running. Probably run down to VWAP on this. Yep, I'm going to take this short. If I lose this trade, that's okay. It'll be either way. Last trade of the day on this account, win, lose, or draw. There we go. Come on, hit it. Hit it. Hit it. Oh, it missed me by a tick. Missed me by a tick. There we go. Woo. All right. I made 7 trades today, 100% winning trades. We are up $2,125 after fees. As you can see here, it says 9 trades, but it's actually 7, and I can show you those in a sec. All right, so just to summarize, we had 1, 2, 3, but we got closed out in 2 different spots here. So 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, all profitable. That's a good day right there. I'm going to close out this account right now. Hey, Ragav, you and I we are going tit for tat or whatever. We're on the same page. Great job, guys. Good winning day there. I'm going to take my money and be happy about that on this account. I will probably trade some of my Apex accounts off stream later today, maybe. But right now, let's see if I can get into the TopStep X account that I got access to on Friday. I haven't even logged in yet, so let me open this up and see if I can get in here. Give me a minute while I try to find this. Man, I feel good about that. That is 100%. I don't know if I've had a day with 100% winning trades in a long time. I feel really good about that. Obviously, the secret sauce today was just having good trade location, which is something I've been working on. Let's go, Sean. Up 1,000. Let's go, guys. Let's go. All right, let's see. TopStep. Where is this email? TopStep X invitation on 3/15. All right, start trading on TopStep X. Let's see what I got to do. So I guess I got to buy my... Let's confirm you're a human. Yes. All right. All right. I am... Oh, weird. Oh, I already have an account. It's asking me to create an account, but I already have one. All right, here we go. Hang on. Okay, TopStep X. I love it. All right. Wait, do I need to use a promo code? Oh, I do. Okay. Here, got my promo code. So the cool thing is, when I got approved for TopStep X, I got 5 accounts for $4.50 each. So I'm going to activate those right now. Complete purchase. Just signed up for my first one. Agree. All right. Now we're going to do the other 2. Yep. Okay. Okay. Sorry, guys. I'll pull this up in a sec. Yeah, quite a bounce right there. All right. What do you guys think? You guys want to see me try to use their trade copier and trade on all 5 accounts? What do you want me to do? Maybe I'll do that. Trade on all 5. Let me do that. Let me activate all of these. Next. Just activated my second account. Cool. And there we go. All right, activating my third account. Oh, okay. Raghav, I can definitely create a video for that. Hey, Sean, up $1,500, and now you're going for a run. Let's go. Let's go. That's a great day. Go pound that pavement. Get those endorphins going. All right, just activated my third TopStep X account. Combine account, 50K. Combine. Let's get one more. I need 5 total, I think is what I can activate for $4.50 each, which I'm very excited about. Apply, complete purchase. All right, just got the 4th one. And let's snag this 5th one. And then I'm going to download or pull up TopStep X. I don't know what I need to do here. And I'm going to put that up on my screen so you guys can see what it looks like. I'm excited. We'll play with it together, and I'll see if I can figure this out with you guys. It's going to have 5 brand new accounts in it. 5 brand new combines. We are going to have a great year this year. I love it, Sean. Love the attitude. All right. Lots of dollars. We're going to make hundreds of dollars this year. I can feel it, at least. We're going to make at least hundreds of dollars. So good. All right. I just set up all of my TopStep combines. I'm launching TopStep X now. Yes, continue. Nope. What? Okay, hang on. Launch TopStep X. Okay. Let me try to log in. As soon as I get logged in, I'll share my screen with y'all. Okay. Okay, we're in. We are in. All right, let me move this over to the screen so you guys can see it. All right, this is TopStep X. We are in our brand new TopStep X account. Let's play around in this, see what it looks like. Okay. Beautiful. Look at this. I'm going to take down the Renko chart, and I'm actually going to fill my screen with TopStep X right now. So let me turn off my trading view chart here, move that, and make this bigger for you guys. That's what she said. All right. All right. Look at that. It's beautiful. All right. So I'm assuming this works just like Trade-Evate. So we're going to go NQ. All right. Here we go. We got the NQ pulled up. We have 5 new 50K combines up here. Let's see how we do the trade copier. Okay, if I was going to be a trade copier, what would I do? I would probably create a group. How would I create the group, though? I don't place orders this way, so I'm going to clear that. This is the DOM. No, time and sales. Okay. I don't really like that. This is the DOM. This is our levels. I do want to have the ES pulled up here eventually, so I'll do that in a second. All right, we're in TopStep X. It looks pretty so far. I like the way it looks. It looks like this is on TradingView's rails. Yep. Okay, so if I were a trade copier, let's go to the 1 minute chart here. If I were a trade copier, what would I... Oh, let's add some indicators first. All right, so let's add VWAP. Very important. Let's add EMAs. We'll add triple EMA, and we want... oh, I don't know why. That's weird. All right, we want the 21 EMA. That's what I like trading off of. All right, so we got the 21 EMA pulled up. Now. Oh. Interesting. How do I place a trade on here? All right, guys, you're just watching. This is me like trying to figure out TopStep X. I haven't watched any videos on this. I don't know what I'm doing, but it seems pretty intuitive. So let's see if we can... Oh, here we go. Maybe we have to click on... No. Oh, you have to right click. I would like it if we could just... Stop by settings, chart settings. Okay. Same thing. All right, hold on. Let me look this up. I want to look up how to trade copy on TopStep X. Settings icon on the left sidebar. Okay. Oops. Sorry, guys. All right. Settings icon on the left sidebar. Left side of the settings page is where you'll find the trade copier settings. Here we go. Okay. Lead account. We'll make that the lead account. And okay. How do I add? So my leader account is the one ending in 22. Follower accounts. Oh, sweet. Here we go. Just check these boxes. Save changes. All right, we got our trade copier turned on now. So if we did this correctly, I'm just going to put something way down here where it's not going to fill me. If we buy 10, it should be max position size exceeded. So that the trade copier didn't work there. Let's see. Leader plus 4. Oh, maybe it's just 5. Yeah, okay. Interesting. All right, let's see how to do an OCO order. Or a bracket order. Do a bracket order on TopStep X. Okay. All right. So click settings on the left sidebar. Okay. So we're going back to settings. Oh, okay. Risk is 20 ticks. Profit, we'll do the same as we were doing on Trade of 8, which was 22 ticks of profit. New, automatically apply. Yes, automatically apply. Okay. Let's save that and see if it worked. No. Okay, maybe I did it wrong. I don't want sound notifications on. All right, guys. Sorry, you're just kind of learning this with me right now. This is really interesting. TopStep X is, it's pretty. Yeah. Yeah, TopStep is only 5. So great is nothing. The reason I tried 10 is because I thought it was going to divide my, like, if you do a trade copier on Tradeovate, it divides your trades. So like if you're trading on 2 accounts and you place 10 contracts, it places 5 on each. That's why I thought that. Shift D. Okay, Shift D. Shift D. Shift D. No? What the heck? The thing is, I want it to work like Tradeovate, where I can just left click here and click buy or sell. Okay. It's all right. We're going to figure this out. We are going to figure this out. Oh, I have to close the DOM? Okay, let's try that. No. All right, that's okay. Once we figure this out, I have a feeling it's going to be pretty intuitive, but we need to get to a point where we... No, it's okay, Raghav. That was a good idea. Yeah. Man, we're getting close to VWAP again. I would like to be able to trade this. Trader, trading, performance chart, settings. All right, let's just try settings one more time. No. Okay, let's look at this. How to place orders. All right. I'm going to mute out for a second and watch this video really quick. Okay, so it looks like right-clicking is what we need to do here. So let's give this a go. We'll trade one contract. Sell one limit. Let's see if this gives it to us. And I want to see if it auto brackets, puts the brackets on automatically. I turned that setting on, so it should. Let's see. Okay. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Okay, so it did. But that was weird. I'm down $22? That's not right. That was like a 1. Am I crazy? This is... Maybe it's dividing it by 5? All right, let's turn off the trade copier for a minute. We'll try this without the trade copier. Let's just try this real quick. Maybe that'll... Okay, so we're down $22. That was weird. No, it's still doing it. All right, we're down $5. What the heck? Why is it giving me like a 2-tick? Oh, because that's your profit target in dollars. Oh, I don't want it in dollars. I want it in ticks. No. Okay, that's kind of annoying. Yeah, I want it in ticks. So if we're trading, let's see, we're going to trade 5 contracts here. So we're going to go for $500 risk, $500 profit. Save that. All right. This should be better now. Man, that was weird. All right, this is going to take some getting used to. Maybe a short here off of the EMA. Although it looks like we're getting kind of bullish here. Let's see if the 300s serve as resistance for us here before we place a trade. All right, let's see what happens here. All right. We're ripping. We're ripping. We're ripping. Very interesting. Oh, just made a chat OCO. Love it. I like the OCOs. I took the OCO actually from TI Trading Wiz. When he's scalping, he scalps for 5-handle scalps. He said that's like his kind of normal. All right, I will be looking for a short. Oh, there we go. Nice. That's a good idea, Grim. I like that. All right, let's see if we can get a sell 5 up here. I don't know how to move that, so that's kind of annoying. Oh, there we go. Okay. Click and drag. All right, here we go. Let's see if we take this down. There we go. Okay. Cool. Our first actual, well, we took 2 other trades, but those were kind of flawed. So yeah, our first actual trade in this, we made $500. Let's go. Quick scalp. Nice. Nice. I love it. Let's try one more. Market sell 5. Oh, it filled me. Filled. Whoa. Whoa. No. Let's not give it all back just yet. All right, we're filled on all 5. My stop loss is at 350, right above these candle wicks. Oh. Okay. All right. That's okay. We're up 116. No. Trade copier. I think the trade copier was off. Yeah, trade copier's off. I'm only trading on 1. I couldn't figure out. Oh, wait, no, I can turn it back on now because now I understand it. All right, so trade copier. There we go. $500 target. All right, great. Let's try this. I think we got it figured out. We're up 116 on this account. I guess it's normal 50K combine, so our target is 1500. This is interesting. Very interesting. I'll play with this later tonight. Alexander, I'm on TopStep X right now, which is TopStep's new trading platform powered by TradingView. So the trade copier is through TradingView. When I trade on TradingVate, the trade copier is through TradeAvate also. So like it's a native tool. You don't need to pay for an extra tool. That would be kind of sucky if they made you pay for an extra tool. All right, let's see if we run VWAP maybe. I don't know. I'm not going to take a trade here. I don't really love this area right now. I thought I liked this for a retrace back down to the 21 EMA, but then it just rocketed up on me. So not quite sure what's going on. You're on Take Profit Trader and trying to figure out how to copy trade. Oh, okay, Alexander, that's cool. What trading software do you use? Oh, cool. Okay, so here, I can show you real quick on TradeAvate. So on TradeAvate, this is TradeAvate. I just, one more time, just want to show my beautiful 100% winning day today for 21.25 after fees. Just, it just looks so pretty. It's my first 100% winning day in a long time in a funded account. Very happy with that. Okay, I'm sorry. I just had to do that real quick. So in TradeAvate, to do a trade copier, you're going to have to create groups, right? So you will go to, you'll click the drop down at the top where it says account, and then you're going to click manage groups, and you're going to create a new group, and then you're going to drag and drop all the accounts that you want to put in that group into the group, and you're going to save it. And that point forward, you'll be trading with across all of those accounts in that group. All right, I do kind of like this for a short. Market sell 5. Oh, dang, it's really hard to see your trade location on these. All right. I'm going to move this down a touch. Risk 325 here. Cool. There we go. Took down 500. Let's make sure the trade copier worked and see. Yeah, it worked. There we go. The trade copier worked. So we just took down $500 across 5 accounts. So I guess that was actually technically a $2,500 trade. Let's go. That was awesome. All right, we're going to try this again here in a moment. No, we're not going to try that again. This is looking like we're getting a potential move back up to VWAP here. Let's wait and see. Oh, little bit of weakness. Little bit of weakness. Let's try it. Let's try it. All right. We don't want to give it all back today, so I'm going to move this. Whoa, 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 whoa. I don't know how to cancel my order is one thing that I don't love here. Yeah, we're going to break up. I don't know how to cancel the order. Dang. Okay, that's one thing. Because on TradeAvate, you would click the exit, market, and cancel. I don't know how to do that on this. Interesting. Oh, does the X cancel the order altogether? Just where it's at? All right, it is looking like we're going to run up to VWAP, so we're going to go, we're going to buy. Go right there. Okay. Let's see if we can run back up to the highs here. Cool. Looks like we're going to get it. We're in the money on this. This is just, it takes some getting used to. Here we go. All right, so if I wanted to cancel this, let's see, close position, right? We're up 250, 225. Let's see. Okay, so if I wanted to cancel that, cool. Okay, that I don't know. I think that did work. I'm not sure if it tripped my target or whatever, but that was a win. Cool. We're in the money on the day. Up 485. Oh, what? It's not trade copying on that one. I must not have checked that one. Shoot. Okay, one of them is not trade copying. Let's see which one. That's weird. They're all checked. Look at this, though. This account is not trade copying. 74. Account ending in 74 is not, even though it's checked. That's really weird. Oh, well. Yeah, definitely we're looking like we're going to run up to VWAP. Let's see what happens when we get to VWAP. I will take one more trade here to ride it up to VWAP. Oh, I did market, not limit. Oh, that was an accident. That was such a bummer. I didn't want to do market there. I wanted to do limit. Bummer. What the heck just happened? That was frustrating. All right, we're going to get this. I clicked market. I'm just not used to this. Oh, failed auction? All right, if you're just joining, we are trading on TopStep X for the first time. It's my first time using it, so bear with me. It's a little bit confusing compared to Trade-Evate that I'm just used to. So if we do a limit sell 5, there we go. Potentially look for a short here. Yep. Let's look for this short. Okay, we're in. Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no, failed auction, just, oh, that is poopy. That is poopy, come on, get some follow through. I chased that, I should not have chased that. Okay, stopped out, bummer. Limit, sell 3, sell 5. All right, I like this location a lot more. I'm going to move this down to the bottom of these candle bodies. We are on a combine, so I do want to protect my profits right now. I might move to break even. Yeah, break even. Okay, cool. We took it. Great. Very interesting. We're just scalping in this range right here. Let's see if it copied on that account that it was failing to copy on a minute ago. Nope, still not copying on that. That's really weird. Let me try refreshing and see if we can get this to correct itself. All right, we'll try this one more time. All right. We're at this 300 level that it's really not wanting to break through. But we're getting kind of heavy. Here we go. Breaking through the 300s. Sell limit 5. That's what we want. All right, I'll look for a short here off of 300, see if it comes back to 300 and rejects. That's what we're looking for here. The other very real possibility is that it just flies back up and retraces all the way through 300, but my stop will be up here at 304.75, so let's see what happens. I mean, we are definitely creating lower highs and lower lows here, so far feel good about a short. Oh, man. I would love to be in this right now, but that's okay. If you're just joining, we're trading on our brand new TopStep X combines that we just got. This is our first time using TopStep X. We traded on our 150K express funded account with TopStep earlier and made $2,100. So we are done for the day with that account. And right now we're just looking for some quick profits or some quick scalps in the combine account for our new TopStep X. 300. It's trying to reject at 300. They're trying to push it through 300. Just I'm gonna leave our stops where they are and go for this $500 target down at the bottom. All right, come on. We need the sellers to come back in. Sellers, come in, come in, come in. Man. So far, we're failing to break through the 300 level here. It is definitely getting whippy though. Let's see if we run back to the downside. So far, so good. So far, so good. We are trading a 1-to-1 risk reward strategy right now, going for 500 profit in exchange for $500 stop loss, $500 target. Man, I might kill this. This is getting stronger than I want it to be. And we're holding above the 300s right now. Buyers are going to start getting conviction here. Oh, very cool. Come on, baby. Come on, come on. There we go. There we go. Nice. So close. So close. Yes, there we go. $500 scalp. We're up 743 in the account. And the trade copier is only working on... It's only working on 3 of the 4 accounts. It's not working on this one for some reason. This one's down $22. Everything else is up right now, though. So I don't know what's going on. Really weird. It's my first time using TopStep X, so I think that's probably a bug because I definitely have that account checked here in the trade copier. So it's got to just be a bug. But that's okay. I'm not sweating it. I'll trade that account individually later on. Oh man, we got 50 people in here watching. Thank you all for being here. I am trading. I just finished trading on my TopStep X 150 or on my TopStep 150K funded account. I had a great day trading on that. 100% winning trades. It says 9. I actually took 7. We counted them together at the end. But took down $2,100 in profit trading 3 contracts. I'm very happy with that. Great trade performance in our funded account today. And right now I am trading in TopStep X for the first time. I got access on Friday, but I literally set it up on the stream just now. It's my first time ever being in TopStep X. So we are just playing around with TopStep X. See if we can make some Mondays in our combine accounts. We got 5 50K combines for $4.50 each with TopStep X. So was really excited about that and just trying to test this out and see what it's all about. Let's see. Let's sell 5 here. I like this. It looks heavy. It looks heavy, and it looks like, oh, it's gonna miss me. It's gonna miss me. You're gonna miss me when I'm gone. Man. Oh, no. There we go. We got filled. We're gonna let it ride there. Anyways, y'all, thanks for tuning in. If you're here, great to have you. We got 46 of you. Guys, this is awesome. I've been doing this for like a total of 2.5 weeks, and we've got some awesome viewers, awesome participation in the chat. I'm really grateful for all of you. Thank you for joining me while you either trade or just watch me trade. Let's see if we get a breakdown here. Yep, there we go. I don't know if we're going to hit my target here. We might. We're close. I don't want to be a dick for a tick. I might just take profit here. No, looks heavy enough. Looks heavy enough. There we go. All right, we're up $1,200 in this account, and I think we're up $1,000 in the others. So the trade copier, I had a hard time getting it. If you're just tuning in, I had a hard time getting it set up. It's still not trade copying on this account for some reason, even though I am positive that it is turned on. But the other 4 accounts are all trading together. I made my first trade on this account without the other one, without the trade copier turned on. So I don't know. Yeah. Caesar, like you can see here, the trade copier is turned on for all of my accounts. It's definitely turned on. And this account is the one that's not copying correctly, but it's turned on. So I think it's just a bug, but that's okay. I'm not really worried about it. This is TopStep X, Corey. This is my first time ever using it. I just logged into it for the first time, and I'm trying it out. It's powered by TradingView, so it operates very similarly to TradingView. It takes some getting used to because Trade-of-8 is my normal platform that I use, so I'm kind of just getting used to how this works. I've only been in this for about 20 minutes now. Have I heard about Owanda? I have not. Oh, you can only copy 3 accounts in TopStep X? Weird. But it's copying... I've got 4 working right now. But maybe you mean you can have your lead account plus 3? Is that maybe what you mean? Bryce, to get 80% off for Apex, if you click the link in my description to go to Apex, if you click the link to go to Apex, you can enter, hang on, let me get my discount code for you guys. All right. All right, here is the discount code. This is the Apex 80% off discount code. I'm going to pin it in the chat right now. If you would like to sign up for Apex to get 80% off of your first Combine or evaluation account, 80% off of any evaluation account you'd like to get, it's right there. So yeah, just click the link in the description. You're welcome, Ragav. You're very welcome. Actually, I can edit my YouTube description also to include that for you guys. So you can... you guys can go ahead and... Why is it echoing? There we go. Sorry about that. Let me edit this real quick. Cool. Updated that. The code is now linked in the description here. So code is pinned in the chat, and it's also linked in the description next to the link. So if you guys would like to use that, please go ahead. That would be awesome. I haven't been trading my Apex accounts on live stream lately. I've been trading those off stream, but I've been trading TopStep mostly because I'm really trying to improve my performance with TopStep, because I want to try to see if I can get in on their TopStep Trader League this year. That would be a really fun thing. All right, I'm going to look for a short here. Why can't I trade? Oh, here we go. Limit sell 5. All right, filled. Looking for the target down here, right in the middle of these candle bodies. All right, I'm gonna kill this here when we get to $300, because I'm gonna have to turn off the trade copier on a couple of accounts, because one of my accounts is almost at 1,500. Oh, I might not even get the chance to do that. Oh wait, I can just target this here. Here we go. Target is 300. There we go. All right, cool. We just hit our max profit on one of our Apex 50K combines today. You need to hit $3,000 over the course of 2 days with Apex on a 50K combine. So I did that with one of these. You can see it up here, my P&L. Oh, you can't see it. Sorry. Let me see if I can show you guys this in a sec. Why won't this go away? Hang on. So I'm up $1,515 on that one combine. I'm going to turn off my trade copier, and let's see, 54. I think I need $275 on the other combines, so I don't need it there. I need it there and there. All right, let's try this. All right. All right, here we go. Let's look for a short here. Sell 5. Whoa. I chased that. This might bite me in the ass. I need 300. We'll take 300 on this if we can get it. Oh, yikes. Okay. That just came back on us. I chased that. I shouldn't have done that. We were so close. I just wanted to grab a quick scalp there. Looking for a run back to the downside. As long as we don't completely retrace here, I like this setup a lot. This little where we retrace half the candle, and then the third candle tends to melt back down to the downside. But we'll see what happens. Don't like that. You know what? I just realized one of these accounts, we're close to our daily loss limit there. The rest of the accounts, we're up 473 in them. We're up 473 in the other accounts. Bryce, good question. Hey, thanks, QuantView. Appreciate you tuning in. Yeah, I'm a huge fan. I just took the QuantView charts down recently, but I'm trading on a combine on TopStep X right now for the first time, which is why I only have this up, but I still have my QuantView charts on my other screen. Yeah, thanks for tuning in, QuantView. Amazing. Huge, huge, huge fan. Wow, I'm honored that y'all are here right now. For those of you who are just tuning in, we talked about this earlier in the stream, but QuantView, there's a few other members here who swear by QuantView. QuantView has totally changed my trading. It's made me a better trader, and I love it. I absolutely love QuantView's QuantView as a tool, and I'm constantly learning new ways to use QuantView to trade. Nice. Alexander loves it too. It's great. I've used quite a few different paid indicators, and QuantView is the best by far, not even close. I've used Lux Algo, SPX or something like that, Algo, and QuantView it's not even close how much better QuantView is. Like, the others don't even come close. Oh, Drago, what's up? Yeah, of course I know who you are. Love it. That's awesome, Alexander. SL5. Let's see if it gives us a fill up here. I'd like to be short up here at 89. I don't know why it says 89. Oh, 89.50. Okay. Oh, sweet. That's amazing. I love it. So cool. Very, very nice of them. I hate that I'm not showing my QuantView charts right now, and I'm trading like doo-doo in this moment on these. I hit my profit target on one of my combine accounts, TopStep combine accounts, and I have not hit it on my others yet. So just trying to, there we go. See if we can get a little breakdown. I'm actually going to go for a bigger move down here. See if we retrace all the way to the downside. I've been scalping, I don't like it. Don't like this. Darn it. Bummer. Yeah, if y'all are just tuning in, this was my, earlier today on my funded account with TopStep, I was trading 3 contracts, 100% winning trades, total profit of $2,125. Really big fan of, I used QuantView, TI Trading Wiz, Travis, I don't know if you're in here, but TI Trading Wiz, I watched a bunch of his content on QuantView's YouTube channel over the weekend, and I'm actually going to link QuantView's YouTube channel in the chat right now because they are, they have so much awesome educational stuff. So if you guys would like to check out QuantView, their channel's amazing. And here we go. This is QuantView's page right there. If you guys would like to subscribe to them, they're awesome. Basically, TI Trading Wiz does some really good Renko scalping strategy training in there. So I spent a good amount of time over the weekend studying his Renko scalping strategy. And basically he's scalping. He's going for 5-handle stop loss, 5-handle take profit, scalping on the Renko. And he uses, obviously, QuantView's Renko, which, let me see if I can pull that up. Bring it over to the screen real quick. There we go. So he uses this right here to scalp on the NQ. So if Travis is in here right now, he can confirm this, but I'm going to assume that Travis would probably say this Q line level here could be a good opportunity, looking for first wait for a little bit more of a confirmation of a run back to the downside, and then look for a scalp right along somewhere near this Q line level here. I'm assuming that's what he would say, but I'm still learning, and he's the expert at this, not me. Yeah. So anyways, QuantView commented in here a minute ago, but I just linked their YouTube page as well. I would strongly recommend subscribing there. They're really great. And let's say what's up to them in Discord, actually. JT, if you're in here right now, appreciate the love in QuantView's chat. What up, Andy? What up, what up, what up? What up, Trading Wiz? Yes, your name was being called. I was shouting you out for being the expert in this Renko trading strategy, and I'm probably butchering it, but I'm doing my best. I'm a student right now, and I'm a firm believer that the best to master something means that you can teach it, and I'm doing my very best to become a capable teacher of your strategy. But I would just say right now I am a student, and I'm doing my best to master it. So Trading Wiz, you're a rock star at what you do. Have learned so much from your videos on QuantView's YouTube channel, especially. I spent hours this weekend going through QuantView's YouTube channel, studying their technical analysis and their different trading strategies. So. Man, so cool. We're up to 53 viewers right now. This whole thing just blows my mind, guys. I've been streaming on YouTube for 2 weeks now. And the fact that y'all keep showing up and showing love is so cool. Thank you all for being here. It means the world to me. I love it. I just started doing this as sort of like a a way to show my friends and family what I do, because everyone keeps asking, like trying to understand what I do. So I'm like, well, why don't I just stream it and you guys can see what I do? And yeah, it's freaking amazing. Out of nowhere, I think the first day I did this, I had like 7 concurrent viewers. Second day I got to like 20, and on the third day we hit 55. It was nuts. And so just unbelievably grateful for you all showing up and taking an interest in the stream. And the chat, you all in the chat are amazing. Oh, hey, Bryce. Guys, very important call out here. If you're trading with Apex, you need to make sure that you're buying if you want to use Tradeovate, you need to make sure you're buying the Apex Tradeovate account, not the Rhythmic account. Trading Wiz, you're the best, man. I'll send them to you in Discord. Yep, be very careful, guys. If you use Rhythmic, sign up for a Rhythmic account. If you don't use Rhythmic, don't sign up for a Rhythmic account. Let me show you guys here. Oh, that's a bummer. I mean, you can sign up for Rhythmic too, if you want. But you know, if you want to still use that. So when you go on to Apex Trader, guys, if you are trying to set it up, you scroll down to their different products and you see here, these are your Rhythmic options. Scroll down further. These are your Tradeovate options. Make sure you're signing up for Tradeovate if you use Tradeovate. Make sure you're signing up for Rhythmic if you use Rhythmic. Yeah. Yeah, for sure. I use Tradeovate too, right? So that's it's definitely, just be careful, guys. I'm so sorry about that happened to you, Bryce. All right, let's get back to the charts. Let's see what's going on. Oh my gosh. What is happening? All right. Oh, you know what? I need to edit this. I gotta turn one of these off. Oh, yeah, okay. Cool. Okay. Oh, I just realized Bo is just having the time of her life behind me here. Bo, you want to say hi? Bo. Hey, Bo. You want to say hi? Huh? What? Who, me? You want to say hi? Say hi to the people? You gotta lift your head up higher. Yeah. You say hi to the people? This is Bo. She's one of our German Shepherds. We have 2 German Shepherds. We have Bo and Arrow. This is Bo. She's my dog. Arrow's my wife's dog. Bo spends every waking and sleeping moment in my office with me, and Arrow spends every waking and sleeping moment out there in the rest of the house guarding. Yes, it's a hairy household. Let's just say we vacuum a lot. Oh, check Discord. Let's see what I've got in Discord DMs from Trading Wiz. Hey! Let's go! You are awesome, Trading Wiz. All right, guys. Hey, check this out. QuantView's got a spring giveaway going on. They are doing a Yeti cooler and a Blue Sky 50,000 evaluation account giveaway. I'm going to link this in the chat right now. You guys can... oh, that's funny. You guys can check this out for the giveaway. If you want to enter the giveaway, there's a few different ways to enter, including following this YouTube channel, following TI Trading Wiz, following TI, following Blue Sky Trading Company, and following QuantView on YouTube, and then other channels here. So let me just share this in the chat. I'm going to pin this for a few minutes for y'all. If you would like to enter this giveaway, please do so. And yeah, if you already subscribed to me on YouTube, you've already got 5 points in the entry, or 5 points towards your entry for the drawing. And if you don't follow QuantView, Blue Sky, and TI Trading Wiz, you need to anyways. So you might as well do it in this giveaway because why not? You should be following them anyways. So now if you go follow them, you also get entered for the giveaway. So win-win. That's freaking awesome. T.I., you're the best, man. Let me pin this in the chat. All right, new pin here for the giveaway if you guys want to check that out. Yeah, so Yeti cooler, which that orange Yeti cooler is sick. That's super cool. And then a Blue Sky 50K evaluation. Super cool. So smash those subscribe buttons and get entered to win cool prizes. Y'all, I'm just blown away right now at how much love y'all have given this channel. It's so freaking cool. Y'all are the best. I love it. Thank you for being here with me. I haven't taken a trade in a few minutes. Should we take a trade? Should we look for a trade? Now that TI Trading Wiz is in here. Travis, you missed my freaking results this morning. Had 100% winning trades on my funded account with TopStep here. Trading three contracts, I took down 2125 after fees, 2,125 after fees. And then I switched over to TopStep X, which is brand new to me. Yeah, this is the first time I've had 100% winning trades in a long time. It was a great day. And now I'm playing with TopStep X, which I just got access to on Friday, but I logged into it today for the first time on stream. So trying to figure this out. And we're down $40 on our... I did hit $1,500. The trade copier is not working great. Hey, Ragav, thank you so much for coming. Tomorrow is going to be awesome. Have a wonderful day. We'll see you in the morning tomorrow. Yeah, so anyways, if you're just tuning in, just trying to figure out TopStep X. Cheers, Ragav. All right. Thanks, T.I. I appreciate it. All right. What do we got going on here? This is interesting. What up, Caesar? You joined the giveaway? Nice. Let's go. Good luck to you, my friend. If you win this, there couldn't be a nicer winner than you, my friend. You are a nice guy. Love having you in the channel. Love having you in the Discord. Love it, Great Dane. Let's go. Best of luck to everyone. Yeah, yeah. TopStep X is going to take some getting used to. I mean, it seems pretty cool, but it's basically just TradingView, right? So I've never enjoyed trading on TradingView. Like I love using TradingView. Oh, you know what? Anyways, I love trading on TradingView, or I love using it for charting, but I've never used it for trading. So nice, Candlelit. Welcome to the Discord. Love it. I'm going to spend some more time on that this week, guys. I promise. I'm going to build that out more thoroughly for you all. What's a Chinese version of TradingView? This is? Oh, they might start allowing automation with TopStep X. Interesting. That's pretty cool. I do really appreciate that. TopStep X or TopStep is pretty progressive in the way that they build and innovate. They're very forward thinking. Candlelit. How long did I paper trade? It's a good question. I really only paper traded for about a month and a half or 2 months. But I've been trading stocks and options for 15 years now. So I haven't been doing it full time. So it was more so like trying to shake the rust off of a little bit, and re-familiarize myself with technical analysis. And then once I went to futures, it's very similar to trading certain stocks. Like I would day trade stocks. I had a margin account with Charles Schwab, and I day traded with my own funds quite often on quite a bit of margin. And heard about futures through a friend of mine at my country club, and really thought that it was an interesting thing to explore. And so I started paper trading the first month or so, really just to make sure that the technical analysis I was doing for day trading stocks was going to apply and work well for futures. So I give that background because even though I've only been doing this for a while and I'm now a profitable futures trader, I've only been doing this for 5 months now. Really only for 4 months on a real funded account. I would say, like, don't expect those kinds of results for yourself unless you have experience in trading also. Like, I've just been trading for so long in different products. So, I would say, like, don't compare yourself to anybody, in this especially. It's really kind of a sad way to say it. I don't like it when people say it this way, but, oh, nice, Mike. Thanks for joining. I don't like to say it this way, but I kind of agree with it. And that's that the market doesn't care about you. The market doesn't care about me. It's a inanimate object that it's an inanimate thing that we're participating in. So you want to make sure that you're going into trading with the best possible advantage you have. You want to have a strong strategy, strong risk management, and you also want to make sure that you have a strong and reliable source of funding, right? Some people go into futures trading with a funded account. Oh, and this is hang on. We got some good price action. Let me see if I can grab a quick short to be continued. Let's see if this thing can really flush and see if I can get in on this. All right, we're in. Looking for a quick flush. Actually, I'm going to move my target down to the bottom of these wicks down here. So we're looking for a 10-handle target, 5-handle stop loss. No, that was not great. That was not great. I'm trading kind of sloppy right now. Sorry, guys. I'm on my TopStep, trading on this TopStep X for the first time, and I'm probably trading a lot looser than I should be. And I'm coming off of a really good morning here on my funded account. So these are not funded accounts. I'm trading on combines. I should still be treating them like funded accounts, though. So that was not great. Sorry. As I was saying, Candlelit, make sure your risk reward is strong. It's really important that you have strong risk reward, a strong strategy, and a funding partner or funding for yourself. If you are funding your own account, if you're funding your own account and you're new to this, if you are not careful, you will blow your account. You will blow all of the funds that you put in there. And don't allow one good day to convince you that you have it figured out. I did that myself. I've done that many times, right? You get confident, you get over your skis, and then you eat it. Be very careful. Trade for tomorrow. Take your profits. I mean, this is a great example, right? If you tuned in earlier in the stream, I was trading in my funded account with TopStep. I made 7 trades. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I made 7 trades this morning on this account, 100% winning trades for $2,125. Now, is $2,125 my profit target for the day? No. But do I feel pretty good about $2,125? Yeah. Do I really want to close my laptop today on my funded account with 100% winning trades? Yes. I want to go into the rest of the day. It's my wife's birthday. I want to take her out to dinner tonight, have a good time with her, and go into the rest of the day feeling really good about having 100% winning trades on my funded account. So it's good enough for me. I'm going to take that, and I'm going to live to trade again tomorrow. And I'll come back tomorrow and trade more. So that's why I switched over to TopStep X on these Combine accounts, these 50K accounts, and just kind of testing the waters here with this, familiarizing myself with what they have to offer. And showing the stream, because TopStep X is pretty cool, and I've never used it before, and many of you probably have not used it either. Also, if anyone knows how to see tilt, I don't know where to see tilt on here. I know that's like a big feature of TopStep X, is to see what the tilt is. I don't know where that shows. So if you know how to see the tilt on TopStep X, holler at your boy in the chat. Man, remember what we talked about last stream about sometimes being early and being wrong are the same thing? On the bottom. It's on the bottom. Let's see. Oh, tilt. Sweet. Look at that. Okay. So in the Nasdaq, we are 58%, 60% short. That's cool. Love it. Thanks, guys. Appreciate it. That is quite neat. That is neato. Neato, gang. Let's try to take one more quick scalp here. See if we can run this to the downside even further. We broke through VWAP. We're trading below VWAP right now. Feeling pretty good about potential move here to the downside. Really targeting the bottom of these candles right here. And if we take down this trade, I think I'm going to be done trading in this account. I got one of my TopStep X accounts, or one of my combines, up to $1,500 today. This would put us in the positive for the rest of the accounts. I'd probably be done. VWAP, variable weighted average price, Andy. VWAP is a really important level in Nasdaq and ES. It's an important level in anything you trade, but in the Nasdaq especially, Nasdaq tends to be a VWAP magnet, and there are a lot of different trading strategies that incorporate VWAP location into the strategy. So I try to stay as aware of VWAP as possible at all times. I'm going to move stop to break even here just because I just don't want to take a loss on this trade, and we might be at the lows right now. What just happened? I just canceled my orders. What? What is going on? Why did it cancel my orders? I was in the money on that trade, and it just canceled my orders. For no reason. I haven't hit my drawdown. Are you kidding me? I would have taken that profit. TopStep X. What's going on? What the heck was that? That was total crap. I don't know what happened there, guys. That was really disappointing. Does it let me place another trade? What is going on? I don't want to take that. I just want to see if it lets me do this. Yeah, it does. Why did it just cancel that out? That's ridiculous. Okay, well, maybe that was our first bug. I'm going to look for a short here. I loved that trade. That was a great trade. Very disappointing. All right, tilt is 54% short here. Oh, we're filled. We're filled. All right. Yeah, we're getting pretty whippy now to the upside. Might kill this trade. Yeah, I'm going to kill this if we can take some profit here. Yep, just killed it. Took $50. Yeah, no profit was taken on that. I don't think. I don't know how to see my trade history here. But I was at, no, it didn't take any profit. I was in the money. You guys saw it. I was in the money $300 on that trade. I'm going to have to go back and watch that on the stream later and see if I can figure out what happened. That was really weird. Not only was I in the money, but it would have run my take profit target. My take profit was right here at the bottom of these candle wicks. And it ripped down through there. I don't know what happened. Yeah, that's a bummer. I mean, look, great incentive for us to use TopStep X by giving us 5 Combine accounts for $4.50 each. I think that's a great incentive. I think that's more than fair. I can deal with some bugs considering that's an amazing deal. So very grateful for their I would consider that a great partnership play by TopStep. Dids, they're doing, TopStep X has been doing some giveaways. Oh, really? Tradeovate did it too? That's weird. I wonder if that's why we got such a big candle wick here. I wonder if there was a bigger glitch than just... Interesting. Yeah, TopStep has great customer service. I'm a huge fan of TopStep. I just think they're a top-notch organization with great people. You asked how I got it so cheap. They have been giving TopStep X away to a few people at a time. They're giving it away to hundreds, if not thousands of people at a time right now. And when you get your invite to join, your initial invite comes with a discount code to get 5 50K combines for $4.50. So pretty cool offer. And it's just their way of trying to incentivize. Yeah. Pretty cool. Y'all, we've got 56 people in here. Thank you for being here. If you have not had a chance to hit that like or subscribe button, it would mean the world to me if you took a moment to do so. Thank you for tuning in, y'all. As I've said a few times, I've only been doing this for 2 weeks. I'm 2 weeks into doing this stream, and the fact that y'all keep showing up and showing love and keeping it fun in the chat, I'm really grateful for y'all. So thank you. This has exceeded my expectations like crazy. Very grateful to have the community that we have being built right now. Thank you all for being here. This is amazing. We got 59 people in here. Holy crap. 2 weeks into doing this, and we've got 59 viewers. If you guys missed it, you can click the link that I tagged in the chat. We are doing a giveaway right now. QuantView is doing a spring giveaway. They're giving away a Yeti cooler and a Blue Sky $50,000 evaluation account. with Blue Sky Trading Company. So if you click on the link pinned in the chat, you can subscribe to myself, QuantView, Blue Sky Trading, and TI Trading Wiz on YouTube. You can follow the various folks on the other social platforms as well. And every time you follow or subscribe, it gives you, you get 5 points, 5 entries to the giveaway. So check it out. And if you're already subscribed to me, then great. You've already got those 5 points if you want to enter. So go on in and enter that if you'd like. It's pretty cool. Really great giveaway. Sponsored by the guys at QuantView. They're amazing. Go check them out. Yes, TopStep TV, they do it. They've been doing it like they've done like 1 or 2 of them on TopStep TV. So you fill out a form. I filled out the form on the first one and did not get chosen. The second time they did it, I filled out the form and I was chosen. That happened on Friday. I got the email on Friday morning, but as you all know, I took Friday off, went and played some golf. So I was not trading on Friday. I didn't even open the email until this morning on the stream with you all. So you guys got to see me set this up and test it out for the first time on stream. Might look at taking, oh man, that would have been a great short. Yeah, they generally do it on, some kind of a special day, like a holiday or a busy day for them. To my knowledge, they're not doing one today. But I don't work for TopStep. I don't know. TopStep would probably be a pretty cool place to work, though. They seem like great people over there. Jack is one of my favorite people. I love him. Jack does the top quiz every day. He's great. I love all the people on TopStep, guys. If you don't follow TopStep, you should. They have some really great personalities. Don't do it now. I see the numbers going down on the stream. Don't go now. Don't go now. Stay here. Stay here now. Stay here. But later, after I'm done streaming, then go. You know what I mean? Like, don't go now. Come on. We're having a good time. No, stop leaving. Stop leaving. I'm just giving you guys a hard time. Go check out TopStep if you want. They're awesome. Subscribe to their channel. TopStep has some amazing personalities that they bring on their stream. They have a lot of different traders they bring on, people who trade Nasdaq, ES, crude oil, gold. They've got people who trade everything in the futures market that come on TopStep. And so, I trade Nasdaq, and a lot of you are probably here because I trade Nasdaq and you do too. Or you're interested in trading Nasdaq and you want to learn more about it. TopStep is good at diversifying to kind of appeal to a broader audience. Yeah, Coach Dakota is great too. He's a good trader. He's a very good trader. Deanna, phenomenal crude trader. Dolby, one of the funniest guys. I don't even think he means to be funny, but he's hilarious. I love Dolby. Rips is an absolute gangster. Rips is a great trader, someone that I can learn from every time I watch him. Who else? Deanna, Dolby, Rips, Dakota. I mean, Andre is a great host on there. He's a good trader too. Michael Patak is a good trader. These guys all come from trading. Hogue is an amazing guy. I could listen to Hogue talk all day long. Eddie's awesome. He's entertaining as shit. Love Eddie. But yeah, I mean, some of the most impactful education on how I trade has come from that. Hogue is a big opening range trader and 30-minute opening range. So Hogue, I learned a lot of my I learned a lot of the basics of 30-minute opening range trades. I learned a lot of the basics from Hogue on TopStep. And then I went a lot deeper and really tried to study it. I still study opening range trades almost every day. I'm on my phone and on my computer when I'm not trading, studying things all the time. TI Trading Wiz, if you're still here, learned a lot from him. Learned a lot from QuantView has amazing content. If you guys don't subscribe to QuantView, I mean, first of all, if you subscribe to QuantView and sign up for the giveaway, you get five entries to the giveaway just for following QuantView on YouTube. So you should do that. They're amazing. But yeah, I think the most important thing in this is that everyone who trades should be a lifelong learner. You should never stop learning. And so always be looking for new knowledge, new wisdom, new strategies. Test them on a paper account. Really look for opportunities to learn every day. I've definitely taken that to heart. I am a much better trader today than I was a month ago, 2 months ago, 6 months ago, because I study like crazy. I'm obsessive compulsive about studying this stuff. We might be looking at a reversal, guys, to the upside. TI Trading Wiz, if you're in here, at what point would you see on the Renko chart here, at what point would you see that we have a strong indication of a reversal to the upside here? I'm very curious to hear your thoughts. We have to break through the 300 level here. If you guys have followed me for the last few weeks, you know that the 300s and the 50s are levels that I respect quite a bit in the Nasdaq because they tend to be respected by traders in the Nasdaq. So be careful if you're trying to long through the 300s right now. I certainly think we can break through the 300s. I just don't know. Oh yeah, Mario, 100%. If you're not careful, you can get major analysis paralysis and really screw yourself up by studying too much, right? At a certain point, you just have to make the leap. You have to make the leap and start trading on a paper account, trying to trade on a combine account, whatever it is. But yeah, in the process, like I would say, my recommendation for learning is figure out what strategy appeals to you and then learn as much as you can about that strategy. And if you decide you want to try a different strategy, go learn a different strategy, but really spend time focusing on your strategy and then studying that strategy specifically so you don't get that analysis paralysis, right? You don't want to get into a place where you're like, oh crap, I've got, I do this one strategy, but I'm watching all these videos on this other strategy, and maybe I'm going to do both at the same time, or maybe I'm going to like test out some different things. Like pick a strategy, stick with it, master it. And then if you want to try a different strategy, don't try to blend it with your current strategy. Really try to compartmentalize, move on to the other strategy, test it, see if you like it more than your initial strategy, and go from there. But really try to pick something and become a master at it. I think that's a really important. Yeah. Caesar, were you long? Oh, you were long, huh? Yeah, it's hard to tell what this is doing right here. I don't know. We could break 300s. VWAP's not too far above us here. VWAP is about 15 handles above us right now. Yeah, wait for a strong confirmation candle. This could be it right here. We could get it. Let's see. Like today, I'm as you guys know, I'm a supply and demand trader, momentum trader. But today, I'm really looking at, I'm really practicing and trying the Renko strategy that TI Trading Wiz teaches on. TI Trading Wiz teaches it on QuantView's YouTube channel. So check that out if you'd like to learn more about what we're looking at here. Andy asked, can you create a segment that talks on briefly on a new topic, but only give yourself 1 minute, then an alert goes off calling for analysis paralysis? Oh, interesting. Yeah. Yeah, short clip series for sure. For sure. That's not a bad idea. Kind of like that. We are chopping right now. Chop City. What is happening? Crazy. Yeah, Trading Wiz is a beast. Very grateful to have Trading Wiz in this community. All right, guys. I'm going to be wrapping the stream here pretty soon, I think. We're not getting a ton of volume right now. This market's real choppy. Maybe we can flush these lows. Let's see. I might look for a short trade here if this next candle doesn't retrace. Maybe. Wow, man. Shorts are getting paid right now. Nasdaq, I think the shorts are just getting squeezed. The TopStep tilt has Nasdaq at 51% short, which means 49% of people are taking massive heat here. Yeah, look at all these stops. Stops just got run like crazy down here below these wicks. Wow, that was a big sweep of those stops. Let's see if the buyers can come back in and take over. TopStep has people going short right now. Let's see. Let's see what happens here. 5 seconds left in this candle. Yeah, we're going to see if we can take a short. I would like a little bit of a retrace up here, followed by a swift move to the downside. I might be early on this, and early and wrong are the same thing. Yep. Man. All right. We hit our max daily loss limit on these Combine accounts. We have one Combine account that we, this account here, we are up $1,515, but we hit our $1,000 daily loss limit on the others. That was not great. But I'm happy I hit my target on one of them. Still figuring out this TopStep X thing. I'm going to play with this more tonight. Try to dial in some better settings on here. Man, that would have been a good trade. Early and wrong were the same thing. Bummer. All right, guys. That is going to be it for the stream today. A couple reminders. If you'd like to enter the giveaway for Blue Skies 50K account and a Yeti cooler from QuantView, hit that link in the bio. Subscribe to this channel. Subscribe to QuantView. Subscribe to everybody. Get those entries for that giveaway. Yeah, get on with that. Really cool giveaway. I'm grateful to be a part of that. Thank you, QuantView, for bringing me in on that. TI Trading Wiz, thank you for your education, for all the awesome things you've taught me. Take the money and run. I'm as a recap here, guys. I am up. We started the day trading on our 150K funded account with TopStep. 150K TopStep account. We had 100% winning trades. 100% winning trades for a total of $2,125, and then we ended the stream by switching over to TopStep X and trying that out for the first time. Just trading on some of those Combine accounts. Did great on 1, did terrible on 4. Whatever. Win some, lose some. It was fun to be here. Thank you all for being here. I'm blown away by the love in the chat. Y'all are awesome. Have a wonderful rest of your day. Trade smart, trade safe, protect your profits if you're in the money. Don't lose more than you should be losing if you're down on the day. And come on back tomorrow. We'll see you tomorrow for another great stream. Thanks, y'all.